lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to show you a makeup look using the Makeup Revolution 144 eyeshadow palette, which I managed to get at Christmas. If you saw my Christmas gift guide, this bad boy was on it, and then I saw it in the sale, so I just had to snap it up. I have been using this pretty much every single day since I bought it, so I wanted to share a look with you using that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this little look, carry on watching. Alright, so let's get going. I've already done my eyebrows because I hate doing those on camera, so yeah, that's already done. And as usual, I used my Makeup Revolution brow pomade, and this time I'm using graphite. I have been using dark brown, but I found that the darker version, which is graphite, works a whole lot better, so yeah, loving that. Right, let's crack on with this look. I really love greens at the minute. I have done for about a year, but I've kind of rediscovered my obsession with greens. I think I'm really looking forward to spring and seeing the flowers and the leaves and the greenery coming back, so that's kind of my like homage to spring coming back. So I have been reaching for this pretty much daily. There are so many colours and finishes that you can use this for pretty much any look on anyone. I like that. Thanks ever so much. So my favourite shade for a transition shade is this one up here, so let's just crack on with that one. So I'm just putting that just above the crease and down onto the crease, which is pretty much skin tone, so you won't really be able to see it. But ever since I learned how to do this from watching Tammy and Carme on the Makeup Revolution channel, it has been so much easier to blend my eyeshadows and to create more looks. So definitely don't miss out this step because it makes it so much easier. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to go for my crease colour, and the one I'm going to be using is this one, which is a gorgeous matte green colour. This one does take a little bit more building than some of the other shades, but to be honest, I prefer that. I prefer to need to build things rather than put too much on and have to deal with it that way. Next, just to deepen up the crease a little bit, I'm going to go in with this one, which is like a nice jade colour, which I really love. And I'm just putting that on like the outer third of my crease, but then blending it in a little bit towards the inside rather than putting it all the way across. Okay, then I'm going to change brushes and go for my contour brush and just use this darker one just for the outer corner and maybe a little bit on the inner third just to darken that up and deepen that up. Oh my god, that's literally had one little dab in. Just look how much that's deepened up. That was one dab in and no more product put on to do the inner third either. Love it. For the middle of the lid, I'm going to be using this gorgeous shade here, which has got a little bit of shimmer to it. I wouldn't say it's a full shimmer shade. It's maybe a more satin one. And for that, I use my little finger. I just find it packs it on a bit better. So that's going to go just on the middle of the lid. Oh my god, I love it. Right, so once I've done that, I'm then going to go back in with the contour brush that we used to put the darker colour on. I'm not going to put any more product on it, but I'm just going to use what's left to kind of just redefine those corners. Right, so then I'm going to go back in with the greens we used at first just to put underneath. And then for the inner corners, I'm going to use this champagne coloured shimmer shade here. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go and tidy the edges. There is quite a bit of fallout from a lot of the colours in this palette as well, so just be warned. I tend to, if I'm using this one, I tend to put my eyeshadow on first before I do my base or anything else, so that I can just sweep away any of the excess that falls down underneath my eyes. Speaking of my base, I've done all that, so I'm just going to go and apply the rest of my face, and then I will be back. There we go, that's the look complete with the eyeliner, mascara. I've done my face and my lips. I've just gone for my Makeup Revolution lip kit in Echelon, which is just a really nice brownie nude on me. I love it. And I think it really just goes with this look as well, without kind of taking away the attention from the eye too much, which is perfect. I think so. If you've liked this one, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done already, and I will see you next time.